Hello, everybody. Thank you, Min, and welcome to all of you from our new boutique opening that we have today in Zurich, in Switzerland. Panerai is a brand which is one of the leaders in the world in the watch industry. We have the chance with our 800 people, with our 200 stores like this one we have today in Zurich, to manage a brand which is dedicated about innovation and about the inspiration we have from the world of the sea. So our historical background, as well as the strong willingness of Panerai to fight against the pollution in the oceans, have motivated all our teams all over the world to work on processes, on new product concepts, which are much more environment friendly. That's why we were a leading company last year to launch the E-Lab ID, a concept of watch which is close to be 100% recycled. We launched the E-Steel on our Luminor iconic line at Panerai on the submersible, based on more than 50% of recycled components. We are the first brand to introduce next year all our packaging, which will be 100% recycled. And we took the commitment that by 2025, Panerai will switch all its steel to E-Steel components recycled elements, which is more than 75% of the quantities of our watches. A couple of months ago, we have told you that we were developing a special product. It's about the Luminor collection, and we are very pleased today to be able to unveil you that specific development. It's a 40, meaning a 40mm Quaranta edition. It's in E-Steel, our recycled material at Panerai. It's coated with DLC, which stands for diamond-like carbon. It's powered by a manufacturer movement, or P900. It has an automatic movement, and it's a 3 days power reserve. I invite you to discover what is this new concept, associating the beauty of Switzerland to the disruptive approach of Razer in terms of design codes. To finish, I want to tell you how much proud I am on all the team at Panerai of this partnership with Conservation International, and of course with Razer, with whom we have been able to gather our strengths. Thank you, Min, for your very active and personal involvement to make that project alive today.
All right, thank you very much, Jean-Marc. Now, I'm truly excited to be working with Panerai on ocean conservation. And of course, you guys have seen that really cool collab that we've done together, the Panerai Razer edition. I've got one right here on my wrist. This is the only one in the world at this point of time. We've taken an incredibly long time. Our designers have worked together through the course of the year to make this truly remarkable timepiece. So here's a picture of it. Let's get a bit of a close-up. You can see it. It's beautiful. And you can actually see, just faintly, the black on black iconic triple-headed snake logo on the watch face. And of course, on the back, the winding mechanism that Panerai is really known for. And this is a prototype that we've worked together through the course of the year. And I'm going to do a bit of a quick demo so that you can actually see what it looks like on my wrist. Now, if you can get the camera to come a bit of a close-up, I'm going to do something really fun over here. I'm going to cut the lights, and you can see something that both Panerai and Razer are known for. Isn't that beautiful? Now, that is Panerai's Super Luminova illumination, and it just looks great. Now, that is insanely cool. Really happy with what our teams have come together to do. Again, you can see the Panerai Super Luminova illumination on the Panerai Razer edition. And there are only 500 of these limited edition units that will be available worldwide. Only 500. In fact, only 499, because there's one on my wrist at this point of time. Now, each of them are going to be individually serialized super limited. And it's only going to be available at the Panerai stores and at panerai.com. So if you want to get your hands on one, you'd best rush down to the Panerai store, put your name on the waiting list, or to panerai.com and make sure you make an order. Only 499 other watches available out there. Razer and Panerai.